last time we were able to build a server-side MCP, and we're actually able to communicate with it utilizing Claude Desktop. So this time around, we're going to go ahead and attempt to do the same, but this time with a client. So something that can access that server. And here we have an example from the Model Context Protocol quick start. I'm going to install the necessary dependencies here. So npm install. Great. Now that we have that, here we have an .env.example. So you want to replace this with your Anthropic API. Here we have a class that's instantiated, MCP-compliant. We're importing Anthropic AI slash SDK slash resources slash messages dot MJS, and we're also importing client from the Model Context Protocol library, and then Studio Client Transport. Okay, so here we're configuring this .env environment. Okay, so from here, we have the API key getting utilized. Okay, so it's going to process the query. This is just a regular API call to Claude. So Claude is going to go ahead and see if the content type is text. Otherwise, it's going to decide which tool to utilize. Here it says async chat loop. And then we have path to server script. I'm going to go ahead and replace this off camera. Okay, so now at this point, I've added my Anthropic API key. So we already have access to this code. Here, we're creating the client. It's going to involve importing those SDKs from Anthropic, creating a class here. Then we're going to manage the server connection. We're deciphering whether it's Python or JavaScript. Then we're going to process the query. We've got our interactive chat interface and then our main entry point. Here we run a build, and then this is how we would run the client for Python, and this is how we would run the client for the Node server. We're not going to connect to Claude Desktop. We're literally just going to use our own client is what we're trying to do. So with this, we're going to run this command here. So let's run that command. Okay, so we have our own MCP client now. And looks like I can talk to it. List my journal entries. Amazing. So here's listing my journal entries. Then I can say create a journal entry titled I was able to create my own local MCP client as well as server. Now it's time to deploy both and create a front end UI for the client similar to Claude Desktop, but with voice. we can go ahead and check on that. We do have our UI. So if I go ahead and refresh, awesome. So we have this here that was just created from our client. So I hope you guys enjoy that tutorial. We just created an MCP client. We've also created an MCP server. Now we're going to deploy the server and then build our own MCP front-end client. If you enjoy the courses that you see here, head over to desk.ai.com and you'll see more courses like this over there.